everyone? Alright, so in today's episode here, we're going to be talking about how to get Thinkorswim simulation trading all real time. Honestly, it's super easy. So the very first thing you guys got to do is to sign up with the Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade platform. It is free and it's a great program, and there's a ton of bells and whistles, honestly, on this platform here. And if you want to learn more about that, I'll put the video of kind of how to use Thinkorswim and kind of my setup right down below. So go check it out. But so for how to get the real time up here, as you guys can see, it's simulation trading, real time for everything. And most services you're gonna actually have to pay for. I know SureTrader, or Dash Trader Pro, you have to pay for it, and that's almost $100 a month. So this will be a very good alternative to it. But all right, so like I said, you sign up and you download it, and when you download it, this is gonna say delayed 20 minutes. So all you have to do really is call them up or email them and say, hi, I am blank and I want to get real time, and I have all of everything already set up, but it still says it's 20-minute delayed. And they will be like, oh, okay, please hold, and then you'll hold for about 10 minutes, and then you'll log back out and log back in, and it will be real time. So it's honestly super easy, but the catch is you have to have a account set up with them, like an active account. So this is what you can do kind of on the side, but you don't have to put any money into your account. It's just more for them to kind of keep track of everything, I'm pretty sure. So, and from here, now this looks like a real trading platform here. But if you look close here along the edges, it's yellow. And that just makes sure that you understand that this is a simulation trading. And you guys can see simulation up here. So it's super easy. And this is when you guys should be learning your strategies and perfecting them and kind of keeping track of your trades. Get a trade log, keep track, and see what you're doing right and wrong. And find something that works for you, because each trader has a different strategy. So that's what I would recommend doing here. But yeah, so it's super easy. Thinkorswim's a great platform here. You can have I'm not sure if the scanning software works. I think that's only for real time. But you're getting this free, so don't be upset about it. But everything else works. All the charting, everything looks just like a real trading account. So I'm sorry that this video is kind of me just more explaining and talking rather than like me actually calling them up, and but all you have to say is I want real-time results and for my trading, and they'll be like, oh, okay, and they will do it 100% for you, guaranteed, no questions asked. Very easy. Thinkorswim trading platform here. So that's it though. Short video today. It's very late here. As you guys can see, I put the green screen up for the weekend. Make sure you guys go down below, subscribe, and comment. Say hello if you're new. Subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. Remember to always stay happy and stay positive. Peace out. Thanks for watching.